In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can start your PlayStation 5 here in safe mode. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more PlayStation tips just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But safe mode is pretty useful for fixing system errors, clearing cache, or even rebuilding your database. Here's how you can actually go ahead and access it. Begin by actually making sure your PlayStation 5 is completely powered off. The light bar should be off, it should not be in rest mode, and to do this from your PlayStation, if it's on, go ahead and select the PlayStation button on your controller, find power down here, and just select turn off PS5. Now once that PlayStation 5 is completely powered off, go ahead and hold that power button on your console for about 7 seconds, and you'll hear one beep when you first press it. Just keep holding it, and then you'll hear that second beep. After that, the PlayStation 5 is going to boot into safe mode. And to actually use this menu, you're going to actually have to connect your controller directly with a USB-C cable. Once it's plugged in, press that PlayStation button, you'll see the safe mode menu on your screen, and from here, you can choose options like updating the system, clearing your cache, or rebuilding that database depending on whatever issue you're trying to fix. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.